guys, what's up? So as you can see from the title, I'm going to be doing my May Birchbox. Sorry if my hair is a little messy and my makeup is a little messy. I just got home from working like 8 or 9 hours today. I ended up staying over and watching my boss's kids a little bit longer. So I haven't like redone anything because I'm actually about to go work out. But I thought before I did that I would go ahead and film the May Birchbox. So this is what it looks like this time. It's got these little designs and stuff. And yeah, let's get into it. So the first thing on here that I got is Marcel's City Tinted Cream SPF 25. It is a tinted cream SPF, and it protects your complexion against pollution and harmful UV rays, and does it I cannot talk today, you guys. It says it protects your complexion against pollution and harmful UV rays with this does-it-all tinted cream that moisturizes, primes, and smooths out skin's texture. Now, it says it moisturizes, but it also says to use a moisturizer before using it if you look up how to use it. So I don't know that it actually does anything as far as moisturizing goes, even though it claims to. It looks like it's a pretty decent match to my skin. It blends fairly well, and it feels really nice on the skin, so it'll be really fun to try this out. It seems like it'll be a really good product. Next up, I have the Vita Liberata Fabulous Self-Tanning Gradual Lotion. Oh, the Marcel is normally $22 full size. This is normally $30 full size. It says build your bronze with this fragrance-free lotion that goes on clear and develops a natural-looking tan in hours. This is one of the ones I specifically got to choose, and I love to try new tanning products because I cannot tan outside. I burn so bad. So I did actually test this, and it works pretty well. It's a very, very slight difference from my natural skin tone, but it's really cool because you can build it up. So I'll be really excited to start using this. I wouldn't say this is fragrance-free. It does still have a scent to it, but I feel like it's really hard to get anything without a scent. So, I mean, I'm still cool with it. I still like it. So I'm really excited to like try this fully. The next thing is the Beauty Protector Protect and Detangle. The full size is $20 through $50. It says this paraben-free, sulfate-free detangler protects against UV rays and heat styling, which also prevents color from fading, and to spritz it on towel-dried hair. So this will be really fun to try. It smells really good. See if I can get it to spray some. Yeah, that smells really, really good, you guys. So I'm so excited for all these products. Like, I haven't seen anything I'm not excited to try. The next thing I got is the Hannah Lee Lip Treatment. The full size is normally $20. It says enriched with tropical botanicals like kukui oil for moisturizing and agave and grapeseed oils for protection against radicals. This formula will give you the softest lips ever. So this sounds like another really cool product to try. This is actually something that I could go ahead and try right now, to be honest. It seems like it's a really gel-like formula. It smells a little bit weird to me, personally, but that's probably just one of like the flavor, like the natural things in it. It doesn't feel bad on the lips. I don't think that it feels as like oily as I thought it would. It's a much thicker formula, which is probably why it helps give you softer lips. I'll let you know in like a review or something how it actually works. The last thing on here is New Face Prep and Glow Cloths. The full size of these is normally $20. And it says these double-sided wipes clean, exfoliate, and hydrate. The soft lace cotton side removes makeup while the other gently exfoliates with micro dots to reveal glowy skin. Yeah, I'm so excited, you guys, like about all of these products. So far, Birchbox has sent me a lot of really cool things that I'm really excited to try. And they had a really cool thing this time, Soak in the Sunshine. and it tells you about getting your yearly checkup and making sure that you apply sunscreen and stuff like that. So that's kind of cool, just like a reminder of that. So yeah, I'm really excited about this box, and I can't wait to try these things and test them for you. And again, if you enjoy these videos like this, please let me know in the comments, and please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys later. Bye guys!